Ladies and gentlemen, behold the future of motorcycling, the 2026 BMW R60.
Welcome back to Biker Wish. What if BMW took one of its most legendary classic motorcycles and rebuilt it for modern roads? A bike that keeps the soul of the past but rides like the future. Today, we're taking a close look at the BMW R60 2026, a motorcycle that proves timeless design never goes out of style. Heritage and design. The 2026 BMW R60 is a beautiful tribute to BMW's iconic R series. At first glance, you'll notice the round LED headlamp, classic fuel tank shape, chrome accents, and spoke wheels. Everything about this bike screams retro, but with premium modern finishes. BMW has clearly focused on clean lines and elegant simplicity, making the R60 feel both nostalgic and fresh at the same time. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the BMW R60 2026 features a modernized 600cc boxer engine. It's not built for racing, it's built for smooth, relaxed riding. Power delivery is linear and predictable, making it perfect for cruising city streets or long highway rides. The boxer layout keeps the center of gravity low, which improves balance and stability, especially for new and returning riders. Ride quality and comfort. When it comes to ride comfort, BMW has done an excellent job. The suspension is tuned for everyday usability, absorbing bumps and uneven roads with ease. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make the R60 comfortable even on longer journeys. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a weekend ride, this bike feels calm, stable, and confidence-inspiring. Technology and features. Even though it looks old school, the BMW R60 is packed with modern essentials. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, ride modes, and a hybrid analog-digital instrument cluster. Optional features include heated grips, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and cruise control, giving you modern convenience without ruining the classic design. Who is this bike for? The BMW R60 2026 is perfect for riders who appreciate classic motorcycles but still want modern reliability. It's ideal for beginners, experienced riders looking for a relaxed cruiser, or collectors who love heritage machines. This bike isn't about speed, it's about the experience, the sound, and the connection between rider and machine. The BMW R60 2026 proves that classic motorcycles can still thrive in today's world. It's stylish, comfortable, and built with BMW's legendary quality. If you love retro bikes with modern performance, this one deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Biker Wish for more iconic motorcycle content.